Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Julie and today I'm going to be making melt and pour soap. First step is adding water to a pan. Next we need to cut up the soap into small squares.
Next, put the soap squares into the boiler.
Now we're going to pour the melted soap into a pitcher. Then we need to add some turmeric powder. Next, we gotta blend it up. Okay guys, now I'm gonna pour my soap into the molds.
This is the final product. As you can see, it turned out pretty good.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe and hit the bell notification.